How you doing, folks? This is Ross Custom Muscle Cars. Today we're checking out a super nice 1965 Pontiac GTO. We have the PHS documents on the car. This car has had a complete frame off restoration a few years back, done in dark Targa blue. Super nice car. Headlight bezels, the grills are original and excellent condition. Front bumpers all been re-chromed. All the glass in this car is in excellent condition. See, the car looks real good straight down the sides. It's got the blue interior, just a super nice car. Has 17-inch Cragar wheels. All the trim and the taillight bezels are all in excellent condition. The rear bumpers all been re-chromed. All the window stainless is very nice. See, the car's real nice down the sides, straight, flat. And the original motor was replaced with a 400 4-barrel. It's got power steering, power disc brakes. It's got the heavy-duty radiator in it. It's all detailed real nice. It's got a 200R4 overdrive automatic trans, posi rear. So all the jams, everything are very nice on this car. Interior's all been redone. It's got the factory tach and gauge package in it. It's a headliner. Everything very, very nice in this car. You have to kind of bear with us. It's only about 13 degrees out today. All inside the trunk looks real good. It's got all the mats, factory jack, spare. An AM/FM radio. Got the original console. It's been reworked to work proper with the overdrive automatic. Got front seat belts. Tell you, I really, really like the blue interior. It's just super classy. Thing fires right up. It's a good looking GTO there. Because of the road conditions and stuff, we won't be driving it out. Too much slop and salt on the roads. You can check out our complete inventory at rosscustomsmi.com and visit us at 8180 South State Road, Goodrich, Michigan. Have a great day, folks.